Do you need more shine in your life? I'm here to show you how to use Fantasia's new coconut oil hair products so you can have the healthy hair you've always wanted. Apply 2 to 5 drops in the palm of your hand. Rub your hands together, distribute evenly through the hair. Coconut oil prevents hair from breaking, encouraging growth because coconut oil's structure allows it to penetrate hair in ways that other oils are not able to. Because of its low molecular weight, it easily penetrates inside the hair shaft, which helps to increase its strength and flexibility. Coconut oil combines the penetrating power of pure coconut oil with the historic shine of our hair polisher formula. Coconut oil is the richest natural source of medium-chain fatty acids. It is especially high in lauric acid, which is supportive of hormone health and cellular health. Coconut oil helps reduce split ends and smooths the cuticle layer of the hair for intense shine. It also adds softness and supports manageability. Or maybe you want a look that holds all day without flaking while giving you unbelievable shine. Let's use Fantasia's new coconut oil styling gel. Apply the gel to the hair while it's damp. Coconut gel may be used on all hair types to create long-lasting styles or to find your natural curl pattern. It's non-flaking and alcohol-free with a mirror-like shine. Coconut oil stimulates hair growth and slows down hair loss. Coconut oil moisturizes dry hair and adds luster, shine, and softness to the hair. It is not easily broken down or evaporated, making it difficult for moisture to escape. Coconut styling gel gives great body, manageability, volume, and shine. It's perfect for blow styling, molding, sculpting, and other style techniques. Fantasia Polisher Gel smooths curly hair for a more natural hairstyling look. It conditions and holds hairstyles all day. Thank you for joining us. To get your own coconut oil hair polisher and coconut oil gel, go to fantasiahaircare.com. Have a great day.